Guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, ID protection is always very important, and ID protection in online or ID protection online is definitely very important nowadays, especially with the advancement of AI technologies. Scammers are using it to scam a lot, and they're coming with sophisticated methods. So staying safe is very important, because even a minor leakage, because the overall strength of a security system is the strength of its weakest part, where anywhere a scammer, an outsider is gonna hit. Okay, so I'm gonna tell you certain methods that you can try. First of all, lock down your core credentials. Your social insurance number, banking logins are keys to your profile, right? Keep your SIN offline. Never store your SIN in an email, note taking app, or cloud drive. Only provide it when you are legally required to provide, for example, tax purpose or employment. Never text or do it on like on over the phone calls. No. Now, for every app or method you use, be it login into Amazon, Walmart, anywhere else, go for multi-factor authentication, even for Temu also, so that you can protect your account. Okay, and in fact, you can use authentication apps to add additional security. Okay, same thing you do for CRA banking and primary email accounts too. You can use a password manager to generate unique complex password for every site, so that you it will be very difficult for other side to hack into them. Your financial identity is very important, like keep an eye on your credit profiles. You can enable fraud alerts because if they put a fraud warning on your file, that means lenders need to call you and verify that it was you who has applied for credit before before approving any application. So in this way, if your identity is stolen, still with the alerts, you are gonna be protected. Bank alerts, set up real-time push notification on all transactions, so that you get alerts if anything goes wrong. You can even lock down your credit card or specify a smaller limit, so that you are protected even from credit card frauds. Okay, so oversharing is always problem. So what you share on social media is very important. Don't overshare on social media. The information can be used against you. You never know in which method and how. I myself have been a victim of identity fraud in past, so I know how it feels. And but yeah, I learned very good lessons that I still implement. So that's what I would like to tell you also, guys. This is what I wanted to convey, guys. Tell me all the method that I have said. Multi-factor authentication, very important, guys. Enable in all your app. Recently I was victim of a Walmart scam too. Although Walmart cancelled the financial transaction in my credit card, so financially I had zero loss, but the stress I have gone through was too much, just for no fault of me, and then I had to file a police complaint too. Not sure what they have done. I haven't heard back. So this is what it is, guys. Let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this, and please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.